From ChatGPT to self-driving cars, everything today runs on machine learning. But the real question is, can you master it? The answer is yes, and I'll show you how. Machine learning isn't just a buzzword. In 2024 alone, the ML market grew by 17%, and by 2035, it's projected to grow by over 34%. India is on track to become a global ML powerhouse. So, if you're planning a future-proof career, AI ML is where the money and the magic is. Think you need a fancy CS degree? You don't. Skills beat degrees. Let's break it down. Here's your no-fluff roadmap to mastering machine learning in 2025. Step 1. Learn Python. Start with Python. It's beginner-friendly and 90% of AI ML libraries are built on it. Tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch, all Python. Step 2. Learn NumPy and Pandas. Next up, data handling. NumPy for numerical data, Pandas for manipulation. Once you're confident, build a small project using both. Step 3. Learn data visualization. Use Matplotlib or Seaborn to understand trends. It's crucial for data storytelling. Step 4. Learn math for ML. Focus on linear algebra, probability, and statistics. Don't go overboard. Use the Queen Mary University notes and William Hayes's book. Step 5. Dive into machine learning. Use scikit-learn to learn supervised learning. Start with linear regression, gradient descent, then decision trees, etc. Step 6. Unsupervised learning. Learn clustering, dimensionality reduction. Mining of massive datasets is a must-read here. Step 7. Advanced learning. Read hands-on machine learning with scikit-learn and TensorFlow. It's a game changer. For data analysis, go with Python for Data Analysis by Wes McKinney. Don't just read, build. Run GitHub projects. Use Google Colab if your PC isn't powerful. Try building an image generator or LLM using open-source models like Llama. Most people skip the basics. They jump into scikit-learn before learning Pandas or NumPy. That's a huge mistake. Foundation first, or you'll hit a wall. Books are great, but don't aim to finish them cover to cover. Use them to solve real problems. Learn, build, repeat. If you're serious about starting your AI ML journey, check out the links in the description. I've added my beginner-friendly data science course, book recommendations, and project ideas. Don't wait. 2025 is your year to master AI.